Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I'm here today with a thrift store haul and I'm just gonna jump right in. So you guys know I've been obsessed with shiny materials if you've been watching lately, and I found this at the thrift store, so I grabbed it. I wish it would have been like not a crop top, because then that means more material to work with. But I think there's still going to be a good amount to work with here, and in these shorter areas I've been loving just taking a little bit and sewing it onto a card. So that's definitely what I can do with this. I got this shirt. Again, a little bit of a sheen to it. I love that kind of fabric, that there's no stretch. It says here that it's polyester, but I've been looking for some cool blues, so that's why I got this one. I am obsessed with this material right here. I don't know, let's see what it is. It's polyester. I guess I love polyester, but I just love the texture and the feel and the like rustly noise. But I love this peach color. And that's the lining right there. Probably won't be able to do too much with that lining. All right, I've been finding lots of this like dotted or like spotted material. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I've just really been loving it. And this is a really cool color, just this dusty pink. And then I found this dress. Let me try to remember. Okay, yeah. So it was brand new, which was great, but for our purposes, it doesn't have to be. And this is like okay, right? It's like an okay dress, but I really bought it for the lining. Because again, this shiny material is not the type of lining that stretches, which is what I want. And I will be hoarding this. I just love it. And I'm glad it's a dress, because that's more material. And then I found this shirt. The print is cute. I might try to wear it first, but if I can't wear it, I'll definitely be able to use it. Okay, I'm not sure if I've done this before. I'm like so behind on videos, or I don't know if I'm washing some of this like mixed together. So I'm so sorry if you guys have seen some of this already. But this is a sweater. And see, I feel like I've talked about this before. There's like a little bit of lace. Oh no, it was a dress. It was a dress that had different layers like this, I think. But there's this that I could use. Love this champagne, kind of like a cool champagne color. And then probably won't be able to use this too much, but then there's like a little bit of sheer right here. So I loved that. It's really cute too. Like I would wear it first maybe. And then I found this. It was like there were like 3 pieces, but 2 pieces were missing. So they just, I just bought these parts. But of course, this shiny material again. I have something that's more of a pale or pastel green, and I've been hoarding that. This is more of a hunter green, but I think I still love it. Not as much as the other one, but that means I can just freely use this while I hoard the other one. And then this, of course, I love this kind of material. I love the different tones. yeah, just that's what I've been looking for. And it's a huge piece. All right, this is lovely. That material again. This one's much lighter of a shiny material, very airy. So that's one side of it. I think that's the lining. And this is more of like a deeper, thicker fabric. It seems quality. I'm not sure where this is from. Yeah, but I'm gonna love using this, and there's a lot of it. I'm not sure what that brand is or what time period, like, you know, if it's recent or anything. All right, this is a dress that's very eyeletty, not the typical color I usually go for, but it was just so pretty. I love things that are that eyeletty. Okay, this is part of that three-piece situation that was missing a piece. I would probably cut this out and use just the outer layer because, as you can see, it's sheer. There's just netting there, and then more of this shiny material. So love that. I think it came with a sash too that will probably come across hopefully in a little bit. All right, another of this dotted material, and again, I love this dusty green, just like the dusty pink. I love this dusty green. I think this one's okay. So maybe I'll wear this first. Yeah, it's so cute. All right, love this purple. It feels very 80s to me. Very much of an 80s purple for some reason. But yeah, loved that. Okay, anytime I see anything in this shade, I just grab it. This kind of, it's like darker there, and then it gets lighter, and it's very soft. It doesn't hold its shape, which I love. And it is such a pretty teal or pastel teal color. And it's awesome that it was a long sleeve because then there's more material to work with. Then I found this shiny fabric, which you guys know I look for because I've said it so many times. And then these sequins. I love this dusty rose or rose gold color. I'm probably gonna take off the sequins and use them in shaker cards. Hopefully it's not sewn on individually because that would be a lot of thread snipping. No, it looks like there's lines under there. So I am gonna be making shaker cards. There's so much of it. And this, I spotted it a mile away. All right, this is another one of those really unique purples, in my opinion. I'm gonna definitely be able to use the skirt part of it. Love this shiny slip part of it. And best of all is the lace. Such a pretty color lace. Okay, here's the sash of that 3-part piece. And I'll probably start using this first. But once I undo it, this would be even cool to like maybe cut in half because this is a bit thick, but cut in half and use as a closure for a journal. So pretty. Sometimes I feel very lucky that we get to work with such pretty things and make such pretty projects. Do you guys feel that way? All right, this one is probably my favorite find. I saw it before it was 50% off, and then it went to 50, and I forgot about it, and then I walked by it and I saw it, so I grabbed it. Love this green, love the orange color, and that it's so like, is this Baroque? But yeah, just so pretty. And then I love the lining as well. Probably as much as I love the outside. But yeah, so that was just a little, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and show in this video something that I got on the last trip. And it was a couple trips. I was gonna do a separate video, but I think I'm gonna do it in this video. And these are very special things. Like this dress is so pretty and elegant and huge. So there's so much of this, these appliques, and I love that they're not just plain white, because I have a lot of white appliques from a few wedding dresses that I found, but I love this. It's just, this was definitely a score. And bonus points, the lining. I love that so much. I'm not sure how to wash this. It smells like perfume, because I don't want to throw this in the wash. Sometimes I do just throw things in the wash, but I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. But I just thought this was so pretty. And then speaking of wedding dresses, I found this wedding dress for $1. This wedding dress was $1. And it's not the kind that has a huge skirt with like a bunch of satin material, which I have not figured out what to do with the other ones that I have that are like that. But this one is full of appliques. The sleeves are so freaking pretty. This smells like perfume as well. I'm not sure where, it's in the same bag, so I'm not sure where that smell's coming from. But it's just full of appliques. So pretty. It looks, I don't know, do you guys think this is like from the 80s or something? It seems like it might be from the 80s. I'm thinking of doing a video just showing, like I used to do collection videos, like my vintage magazines or my vintage pillowcases. I have a few wedding dresses already. I think I have 4. So I think I might do like a video where I just show you the gowns that I have and maybe how I harvest the appliques from them. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But I just thought this was so cool. This whole thing for $1. All right, let me know if you guys have ever found a wedding dress while you were thrifting or at an estate sale, and what the lowest price that you've ever paid for a wedding dress is. That would be so cool to know. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.